Hi, this is an example on how to create a responsive HTML email the correct way. No divs, just tables, old school HTML website build methods. So I've downloaded some images just to get us started. A header, big header, and some inside images for the content, so some smaller ones. So let's get started. Usually HTML pages start off with a classic HTML template, so we will start off with that. That is irrelevant, and irrelevant. So let's get started with our tables. Our structure is going to be like so. So header image, text, image, text, and a footer. So that's what I'm going to attempt to build. Now, normal HTML emails should be 600 pixels-ish at max. So let's build fixed first and then the rest later. And we'll turn the borders on so we can see what we're doing. So that's our content container, our email container table, which is going to be one row and one column. This will make sense later. So let's have a look at that. And there she is. Now, we use a container for this reason. When it's responsive, we want our content to be center or full width of that. We want a full width, so we can just use percentages instead of stating numbers, 100% basically, all the way, everything on the inside, and just let this control everything. So if we take that, and we'll make our header. So width 100%. That's a look. Perfect. Oh, that's the 0. And you'll notice gap underneath that, which is an image bug. Just use display block, should fix it, but I do like sticking these in as well. So that's our header. Contents. So let's just give this a name, container. Take that again, put that in there. But we want 3 rows of text. We want this, this, and this. So we're going to have 3 tables. This is because one side is going to be a different. We can only put 100% I'll show you. So I need some Latin. Yes, I found earlier. And go to repeat. IMG1. Now you can see this one's at the top, so it's going to be on the left, and this is on the right. This is at the top, so it's going to be left, and this is going to be on the right. Now we want the text to be 100%, not the image. The image will lock automatically at its width, as you can see. Now we can only put 100% on one column. So if I turn the borders on, see, this is column 2, this is column 1, column, 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 column. So this is 100% here, this is 100% here, which conflicts with this column and this column, which we can't do. So that is why we need to pull it out into multiple tables, which is pretty straightforward. Like so. Now fix one more. Voila. Now we want to fix the V alignments, height alignments, horizontal, which in the old days is called V-align. And put that in all of them, actually. It used to be good practice to put them in all the time. When wouldn't you want to do that? And that's the P tag. Margins. So there you go. You see it's top aligned now, tight and responsive. But as you can see, we need a mobile breakpoint for later. Mobile last, not first. Much easier. So turn the borders off, and then we'll put our footer in. Just take on. Footers usually text links, so bullet points on footer links. Remember, all CSS is meant to be inline. There we go. let's take that out. So I can do that. So let's give our container a BG color, I think it was. There we go. So that's our email. Add some padding for nice measure. Margins, basically. There we go. Let it breathe a little. Perfect. Now let's bring in the mobile responsive, etc. So 600 is our typical width of an email there. So anything below, let's go 560, say. Note, responsive doesn't work unless that line is in. You need to set your viewport. The width is device width. This is usually included in the page with Gmail, Yahoo, and Hotmail, or Outlook, and others. And it's not responsive, won't work anyway, but the 100% widths will. So let's put in our overrides and our media queries. So media, screen, and max width, so resolutions up to 560 pixels. We'll do this. So all tables, TRs, rows, TDs will become displays of blocks, which is a line for each. So we check, and there we go. See it collapsed. Cool. And all images have a width of 100%, so they scale. Now note this is not responsive testing yet. So turn that on, click here, and make sure this is on responsive. And you can resize accordingly. As you can see, the P is pushing it out here. And our footer links are terribly small. So let's turn our borders on to see what's going on. That is due to this. You can't have 100% block. Make sure it's working. Check its margins. Top 0, right 20 pixels, bottom left. I find it's useful to put a background color or put a border on, and and always use important to override inline, and you should be fine. Turn the border off. Okay, footer links seem to be in the right with 33%, so we need to we get away with no, we can't. And there you go. That is the table. So that's the outside. TD. Go HTML is a little wrong here. TD. Right, yeah. TD, and that is correct. We could center align it, I suppose, tidy it up, but you would normally be working from a design, so you wouldn't be doing this anyway. Clean up the UL, clean up the ULI. Top nothing, right nothing, 20 pixels, 10 pixels, 20 pixels, 0. Perfect. So margin, bottom, 1 pixel. There's your responsive email. The background pictures are fully compatible with most, even obsolete email clients. And will work in Gmail, Yahoo, and Outlook and Hotmail. Now do note though that this is mostly cut off by email clients. So I would duplicate this and put in an include and put the include in the body tag here. But if you want to test that, just put it inside the body tag, delete that, Delete that. Refresh. And all still working fine, as you can see. But now this will not work. So if you ever get stuck with that and wondering why your media query is not working, that is because this is missing. And that's how to build a responsive HTML email. Thank you for watching.